Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to log out from Telegram app on iPhone. So this is my Telegram app opened on this iPhone device. Let me show you. You can see this is my iPhone device. So I have this Telegram app opened. So I want to log out from this app. So in order to log out, you have to tap on this settings, this gear icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on this and I have this settings screen opened. And you can see guys, I don't have any logout link. So in order to log out, you have to tap on this edit link at the top right. So let me tap on this. And after that, you have to tap on this logout, this link over here. Okay. And I have this screen opened. And here we have this logout link. So you have to tap on this link again. Okay. I have this, a pop-up message. Let's read that. Logout. Note that you can seamlessly use Telegram on all your devices at once. Remember, logging out kills all your secret chats. So just read this message and if you agree, just tap on this OK, this link. So I agree this. So let me tap on this OK, this link. And you can see I'm now logged out from Telegram app on iPhone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.